Okay, this is the second test. So it's set to normal on the back here. I've got disk 1 right there, which I'm putting into the top drive. 1 is in the top drive. Disk 2 I'm putting into the bottom drive. I'm now holding the button and turning it on. Both drives have been formatted. Now we'll have a look at the computer. There they are. So both of these drives are empty. That's the first one. That's F drive, and G drive is empty. So now here I'm going to copy to F drive the series of folders. Now we can see that it's copying at 50 or maybe 60 megabytes per second. It's still copying a large file, an AVI, and once it gets through that, it'll go into a lot of JPEGs, and it's copying at 40, 50 or 60, say 50 or 60 megabytes per second. This is volume F drive. So we'll wait until a percentage gets up to about 12 or 14%. Alright, at 12% it's still got 8 minutes 30 seconds to go, and it's recording at 50 or 60 megabytes per second. That's its speed. So we'll finish that. Now I'm going to leave those files there, and remember on this drive it's empty, G drive is empty, F drive has got the test files on there. So now I'm going to properly eject the drives. They're gone. Now we'll turn it off. Wait for a moment. And now I'm going to swap the drives. I'm going to take the top one, which is number 1, and the bottom one, which is number 2. 2 I'm now going to put in the top. That's the one that's got the files on it. The other one I'm going to put down the bottom. I'm going to hold the button, turn it on. I want to see them come up on the computer. Okay, now G drive is still empty, and F drive, which is now in the top bay, has those test files. Well, on that F drive, I'm going to reformat it. So that it goes back to the same state it was in before. But now it's in the top bay. So now we're going to grab that same file and copy it to the same drive. This is the exact same drive, and here's the copying. So now it's copying the AVI file. It's copying at 150, 140, 120, 140 megabytes per second. So 110, now it's down to 90, but it's normally around 100, 120. Well, it's at 12, it's nearly at 12%. At 12%, it says 4 minutes to go, and it's copying 120, 130 even megabytes per second. It's already up to 15%. It's only got 4 minutes to go. So the same hard disk in the top bay is copying twice as fast. So we'll stop that. Once again, I'll eject it properly. And we'll turn it off. And there's drive 2. When it was in the bottom bay, it was slow, and the same hard disk in the top bay, twice as fast. That is a faulty unit.